Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Marvel Legends boxes. First, find the tape seals on the top and bottom flaps. Use a sharp hobby knife or box cutter to carefully slice through these seals. Once the tape is cut, gently lift the flaps. This will expose the inner plastic tray, which securely holds your new action figure. Take your time to avoid damaging the packaging or the figure itself. After opening the box, gently slide the entire plastic tray out. You'll notice some figures are secured with small wire ties. Carefully untwist these ties, being mindful not to scratch the figure or accessories. Once all ties are removed, you can lift out your Marvel Legends figure and any included accessories. Always double-check the tray for tiny parts like extra hands or effects. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. On another note, just like you want to keep your figures safe, you want to keep your food fresh. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals secure. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Many collectors like to keep their packaging. If you do, store the cardboard box and plastic tray in a safe place. For compact storage, you can carefully flatten the box by reversing the folds. Some enthusiasts even use specialized plastic protectors to keep their boxes in mint condition. This helps maintain the value and aesthetic appeal of your collection over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.